My name is Liam. Do you want me to do you a trick?
Sure.
Well, guess what? I went to
back up a little bit?
I went to a party, and on the way I stopped by a candy shop to buy some candy for my friends. Let me show you what I bought. I bought them some lollipops, a
Lemon.
and I also got a cherry.
Nice.
And I also got a grape lollipop. And I also got a kiwi lollipop. This
Whoa.
is my favorite, so I think I'm gonna save it for myself.
Okay.
Do you want the rest?
Sure.
Okay.
Wait a minute. There should be 3 more. You took the kiwi. We're missing the cherry and the lemon and the grape.
Huh?
What happened?
Oh, it's magic.
Magic?
Well, want me to make them appear again? Oh, I have to call my friend.
Okay.